Hello students, today we will discuss another problem from NEET Physics. At first read the problem. Two pith balls carrying equal charges are suspended from a common point by string of equal length. The equilibrium separation between them is small r. Now the strings are rigidly clamped at half the height. The equilibrium separation between the balls now becomes. At first, consider the first diagram. In the first diagram, we can see two pith balls having equal charges. Suppose the charge is Q, right? And the separation between them is smaller. These two balls are repelling each other, and this height is small y. These two balls are repelling each other with Coulomb force F, right? Along their joining line. This is the tension along the string. Okay. Suppose this angle is theta. So this angle will also be theta. So this will be T cos theta, the cosine component of tension, and this will be the sine component of tension, T sine theta, and this is the weight of the ball acting vertically downward. So from this diagram we can write that F is equals to T sine theta and mg is equals to T cos theta. So from here, by dividing these two equations, we will get tan theta is equals to F by mg, right? Now we will come to the next diagram. In the next diagram, the half length of the string is clamped and the next half is open, and they are repelling each other now. Now the new distance is r dash and the new length is y by 2. Okay, the new length is y by 2. They are repelling each other with Coulomb force F. Their mass is acting vertically downward, mg. This is the tension T of the string. Suppose this angle is theta dash, right? So this angle will also be theta dash. So this component will be T cos theta dash and this component will be T sin theta dash. So from here we can write that this force will be F dash, because in this case, in the first case, the distance between two balls are small r. So the force is equals to Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. But now the distance is r dash. So now the force is equals to Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square, right? So from here we can write that F dash is equals to T sin theta dash and mg is equals to T cos theta dash. So by dividing these two equations we will get that tan theta dash is equals to F dash by mg. Okay. In the tan theta, we can write from this triangle that this is the base, y is the base, and r by 2 is the perpendicular, right? And this length is the hypotenuse. So tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base, that means r by 2 divided by y, that is equals to F by mg. In the second diagram, the perpendicular is r dash by 2 and the base is y dash by 2, y by 2. As the half of the string is clamped, right? That is F dash by mg. This is our first equation and this is our second equation. So now we can put the value of F here, that r by 2y is equals to Q square by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. This is epsilon naught r square mg, right? So r cube is equals to q square into 2y divided by 4 pi epsilon naught mg. Okay, this is our equation number 3. And from this equation we can put the value of f dash in this equation. So r dash by y is equals to q square by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square mg. Okay, so from here we get r dash is equals to q square y divided by r dash cube is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught mg. This is equation number 4. Now dividing equation 4 by equation 3. Now we are dividing equation 4 by equation 3. We will get r dash cube divided by r cube, that is q square y divided by 4 pi epsilon naught mg into 4 pi epsilon naught mg divided by 2yq square. Yq square, we are cancelling the terms. Now we are getting that r dash cube is equals to r cube by 2. So r dash is equals to r divided by this. This is our required answer. Okay. Here one option is given where r dash is equals to r divided by this. This is our answer. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you have any doubt in this question or any other numericals, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to make video on this question. Thank you everyone.